A string is stretched between fixed points separated by 75 centimeter. One string is there. This is the string, and it is stretched between the two fixed points. This is one fixed point, and this is another fixed points. These are the two strings, and the distance between these two strings it is 75 centimeter. It is observed that to have a resonant frequency of 420 Hz and 315 Hz. So in between that is 350 Hz and 420 Hz of resonant frequency is there. There are no other resonant frequency between these two. No other resonant frequency is there. Only these two are there. The lowest resonant frequency for this string is we need to find here. Okay. We know here there is a Fn. There is a Fn is equal to n times a b divided by 2l. If the n is the first one, that is 315 Hz. In the difference between these two, then I will take the second one, that is Fn plus 1 minus Fn. Then we can write this one as n plus 1 into v divided by 2l minus m times v divided by 2l. Then if I'm going to difference this one, we get the answer v divided by 2l. This is the f dash. We call this one as a fundamental frequency. Fundamental frequency. Then by substituting the values, V is nothing but the 420 minus 315. The difference of this one is 105 Hertz. So option A, 105 Hertz is the right answer.